Hey guys, so I have a special present for you. Prismatic Evolution poster collection. Let's see what we can hit from here. Check out this poster real quick. Oh, it's huge. Alright, so the poster shows off a lot of the cool arts from the set. We got 3 promo cards. We got a Jolteon, a Flareon, and a Vaporeon. Alright. Out of this, we got 3 packs. All Prismatic Evolution. Let's see what the first pack has in store for us. First pack magic, let's see what it's got. A little Glaceon. But it's a dud. Alright. Second pack magic, let's see what it's got for us this time. Maybe it's a little bit better. Hopefully we get that Umbreon. And... oh, this card was stuck to it because it's a Master Ball. There we go. Beautiful looking Sneasel Master Ball. Let's see if this pack can get any better. Last pack magic. Let's see if we can't pull the full art. It'd be awesome if we pulled an Eevee Master Ball. Oh, we got something shiny here. No way. We got Fish On, another Pokeball. Sea King Pokeball. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out a couple of our other YouTube videos, like this one in the bottom left-hand corner. And don't forget to go check out our Discord that's linked in our TikTok account in my bio. See you guys on the next one.